There is a new SPAC rumor on the block, and it's in regards to this company right here, Foley Trasimene Acquisition Corp, ticker symbol WPF. The name gives a hint. This is a blank check company backed by the man himself, Bill Foley, and this here is the company they are being rumored to be in talks with right now. So right off the bat, there is nothing definitive. WPF may never merge with this company, but it's called Alight Solutions. And essentially, they offer things like health administration, wealth administration, payroll, all those kind of things. But one of the big reasons people are getting excited is because Bill Foley is backing it. And I mean, a lot of people have a lot of respect for Bill Foley, especially in the world of SPACs. A lot of you guys will probably be aware of BFT stock. I'm invested in the company. I know a lot of you guys are. Again, another Bill Foley SPAC. Wait, what am I doing? What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and today we are speaking about WPF. But I'm just going to speak about what I think about the company. There's not the most information in the whole world on them out there right now. All we have is this exclusive: Blackstone in talks to merge with Alight with blank check acquisition firm sources. And then of course we have their website to find out what they do. And they also did submit a Form S1 to the SEC back in February of 2019. So we can get a little bit of information from there. They planned on going public before, it didn't happen. So right before we get into the video, my friends, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? It's Christmas, you know, if you're in the giving spirit, if you want to be like Santa Claus, all you gotta do is hit the like button. Please drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this company once you've watched it all the way till the end. I will give you my full opinion at the end of the video. And please, if you are indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors. It really would mean the world to me. If you're interested in joining my private Discord group where you'll get my buy and sell alerts, you find out about stocks like this, you join a community of over 600 investors, hit that first link in the description. And last but not least, if you want 4 free stocks on Webull, 2 of which are valued up to $3,700, hit the second link in the description, sign up, deposit $100. Simple. So first things first, they're a SPAC. Okay, they've obviously been trading around $10 for a while. A lot of people would have invested in these guys purely because it's a Bill Foley SPAC, so that's why there was some movement before we even had any target in mind. You can see that there used to be a $150,000 a share. That's not true. Google charts can mess up sometimes. But realistically, they've been going up a little bit, and just now we got these rumors, and they've only gone up 4% pre-market. So right off the bat, guys, you can tell people aren't particularly excited about this. So the merger, okay, would result in Alight becoming a publicly listed company at a valuation of more than $8 billion, including debt, the sources said. Now keep in mind, this is all speculation right now. And I also want you to keep in mind, this is a private company, so we don't have the most information about the financials. It's hard to value them ourselves. We don't physically have the information. So this deal comes more than a year after Blackstone cancelled an initial public offering, so a standard IPO, as it was about to raise up to $800 million, amid concerns that it would not fetch the terms it was seeking. And we can see that WPF is a SPAC which has raised $900 million already. So yeah, it kind of makes sense. They're about the same size. They would have grown a bit since. And they're based in Lincolnshire, Illinois. They offer cloud-based benefits administration and human resource services to 30 million people in 188 countries, according to its website. So obviously a very large company, but what makes it different? I mean, there's a lot of people who can offer cloud-based benefits and administration and human resources, really. So I'm going to be honest, guys, their website doesn't give us the most information in the world. If we go to their About Us page, it tells us this: we help clients unlock enterprise growth with future-ready human capital and business solutions. So Alight Solutions is a leading cloud-based provider of integrated digital human capital and business solutions. They optimize business process as a service to deliver superior outcomes for employees and employers across a comprehensive portfolio of services. Alight's 15,000 dedicated colleagues serve more than 30 million employees and family members. So 70% of the Fortune 100 are clients as of right now as well. And one thing I like about that fact is if we go back to their Form S1, this was filed February 14, 2019. We can see they had 3,000 clients. We have 25 plus years of operating history. We serve 22 million people and their 18 million family members. At the time, clients included 66 of the Fortune 100, whereas now on their website it's telling us we have 70%, so we should have gotten some bigger customers over the year. And we have 240 of the Fortune 500. So they definitely are targeting, you know, the biggest of the big companies out there. And there's an average tenure of 15 years among the top 20 solutions clients. And then there are their primary solutions. So what they primarily do, so they have health administration solutions, okay, in regards to better well-being for these people. solutions to help employees and employers choose, use and manage their health benefits. Wealth administration solutions, so solutions to help employees and employers choose, use and manage their wealth benefits, things like pensions, etc. Payroll administration, very obvious, speaks for itself. Engagement and communication solutions to create a more memorable employee experience, and HCM and financial management. So obviously we have a large amount of very big customers. We can see exactly what they offer. We can't see that much more about the company yet. What I would say is to see Bill Foley going in on any company would definitely fill me with a certain degree of confidence, but I wouldn't invest blindly just because they're backed by Bill Foley. I think that would be a little bit not responsible. One more thing we can see on the Form S1. Okay, Tempo Holding Company LLC, consolidated balance sheet. Tempo Holding Company LLC, Alight Solutions United States, is a controlled portfolio company of Blackstone Group Inc. You know, as of the latter half of 2018, they had a decent asset to liability ratio. But as of the 9 months ended September 30th, they were working at a loss. Now the thing is, a lot of things could have changed since then, but we have no more up-to-date information on this that I personally can't find. And as always, when I look at these SE1 filings, I love to have a look at the risk factors, my friends. And I mean, there is always quite a few, and some of them, you know, you don't really even have to acknowledge, they just have to write them down for legal reasons essentially. Like for example, an overall decline in economic activity could adversely affect the financial condition and results of operations of our business. That goes for everybody. One that needs to be known, we face significant competition. I mean, that was one of the first things I thought when I started looking at these guys. I mean, there's a lot, and I mean a lot of competitors out there. It's hard really to be the best in this industry. I mean, you can't innovate very much. In all honesty, I'm quite surprised to see Bill Foley going after a company like this. Maybe I'm missing something, but I personally am. Now, a big one, my friends. We rely on complex information technology systems and networks to operate our business. Any significant system or network disruption due to a breach in the security of our information technology systems could expose us to legal liability. November 25th. Plan sponsor back in crosshairs of data breach suit. The suit is filed against the fiduciaries of the Abbott Labs Retirement Plan and Alight Solutions LLC, the record keeper for the plan. It's alleged that the defendants failed to enforce a security question routine set up for security purposes on the defendant's website. And essentially, a few things went wrong and this person lost $245,000. That's not a risk factor, that's just stupidity. Now I know any large company is going to come into lawsuits at some stage, but this one just seems a little bit silly to me. This shouldn't happen. And if the defendant wins in this case, I mean, what are the Fortune 100 companies going to think? I think with any cloud-based platform, that is always going to be the biggest risk. But seeing that something has happened so recently, I mean, this piece of news came out November 25th, not what you want to see. Now again, my opinion could change when and if this merger becomes official and we get an investor presentation of sorts. Maybe there's some hidden information there. Maybe the financials have gotten much better. Maybe there is a really good compound annual growth rate that us investors physically can't see right now. Maybe their particular market is growing faster than we can tell. I mean, we did see their Fortune 100 customers go from 66 up to 70. But aside from that, I can't see much else. And to be honest, guys, not that excited about the company. I mean, love Bill Foley. I would nearly bet it would go up a few more percent soon enough just because of him. But yeah, I'm not really a big fan. But I did want to make this video because I got asked about them a lot last night, just because it is Bill Foley. I mean, I know it's a SPAC. Anything can happen with SPACs. These guys could go to $15 tomorrow. I'm not going to be upset. I'd rather put my money somewhere I feel a lot more comfortable, and I think I could get more growth. And do keep in mind, guys, if you are contemplating investing, this is not a definitive agreement by any means whatsoever yet. This company, WPF, could merge with anybody right now. It does not have to be Alight. That is just what's being rumored. But anyway, my friends, if you did watch this video all the way till the end, you are a true legend, and I really do appreciate you being here from the bottom of my heart. Your support means the world to me. If you did enjoy the video, maybe I gave you some insights and value, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, let me know what you think about the company, and please, my friends, subscribe if you're new around here. And again, if you want to join that private Discord group, it's the first link in the description, my friends. And if you do want your 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friends. You have to sign up, deposit $100, and that's it. 2 of those are valued at $3,700. Easy money coming up to Christmas. Anyway, my friends, I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic day. I hope you're all getting into, you know, the Christmas spirit or the holiday spirit. I will see you for another video very soon. Peace.